welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. But before getting into my skincare routine, I want to talk to you guys about my skin type. My skin is extremely acne prone. Like you can see, I still have a lot of pimples and blemishes on my skin, but my skin is acne prone. My skin started acting up really bad, and that is when I've decided to kind of treat my acne without it breaking my bank, and that is when I came across Pilgrim's Australian Beauty Tea Tree range. We all know tea tree works wonders when it comes to fighting acne because of its antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, because it's one of the best ingredients that does not irritate your skin, but it helps in fighting your acne. Today I'm going to show you guys the entire skincare routine, my acne prone skincare routine, starting out with face wash. I have with me the Pilgrim's Australian Beauty Tea Tree Purifying Gel Face Wash with salicylic acid and cica. It's so gel-like, there's no granules, just like a water consistency, and it lathers. There's no water on my face and still it is kind of lathering up. This is how good this face wash is, extremely good. While I'm washing my face, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Pilgrim as a brand. Pilgrim is all about bringing world's beauty for us since 3 years now, and they aim to bring the best beauty secrets from all around the world regarding the healthy hair and skin. They're cruelty free, they're sulfate and paraben free, there's 100% vegan, there are no toxic 20 chemicals, and it is FDA approved. The face wash retails for 250 rupees and is a 100 ml product. Okay, I'm done with my face wash, and you can see how refreshed my face looks like, and that is when I go on with the second step. This is the Pilgrim's Australian Beauty Tea Tree Purifying Toner. Now this has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. I really like this bottle. One, because it comes in a spray form, and the second one is this sprayer does not spit the product on your face. It evenly distributes. Like, see this. Can you see that? How evenly it distributes. Now this toner helps in pore cleaning, pore tightening, and it's extremely gentle on my skin. The toner retails for 300 rupees and you get 100 ml of product. I give it like a second to dry, and then I go on with the step 3. For step 3, I have the Pilgrim's Australian Beauty Tea Tree Blemish Remover Serum with 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc PCA. Now this is the serum that kind of targets your acne. So personally for me, how I like to use the serum is, you can see I have like 2-3 pimples over here and a lot of blemishes on this side. So I like to target this on my acne or on my blemishes, wherever you want to. So what I like to do is, it comes with a dropper, so I like to take like a good amount. This is extremely good. This is so nourishing and it is very lightweight on your skin. So what I like to do is I apply it on my acne. This serum fades blemishes, helps in repairing your skin barrier and acne marks. The Blemish Remover Serum retails for 550 rupees and you get 30 ml of product. Once the serum is applied on my skin, I give it like a minute or 2 before I go on with my moisturizer. Now that I have applied the serum, I'm going to give it like a minute or 2 just to like sink in a little bit and do its magic. But when it's doing that, let's talk about Pilgrim. One of the main reasons I love Pilgrim as a brand is because they're made in India, and all of these products are suitable for both men and women. Now that my skin is a little dried with the serum, let's go on with the moisturizer. For moisturizer, I'm using Pilgrim's Australian Beauty Tea Tree Non-Oily Moisturizer. This gives lightweight hydration. This is filled with hyaluronic acid and cica, and it gives a lightweight moisturizing hydration. Let me show you guys the texture of this. This is one of my favorite textures. This is so jelly-like. This is so jelly-like. It gives immense amount of hydration. Look at that intense hydration it gives. It's non-oily, so it kind of absorbs into your skin. And if you're acne prone skin and you have oily skin, you don't need to worry about this. This does not attract any oil onto your skin. So let's go ahead and apply this. Take like a big sized blobby amount. Alrighty, you can see how my face is glowing. I'm gonna give it like a good minute. The moisturizer retails for 275 rupees and you get about 80 grams of product. Alrighty, this is how my skin is after moisturizing. I really love how good this moisturizer feels on my skin. This is my acne prone skin type. I will leave a coupon code right on my screen so that you can get additional discount. I will leave all the details of all these products in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. subscribe to my channel, come join my family, it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.